there's fireworks. I don't know what is that for, the fireworks.
I don't know.
Probably still,
They're welcoming us home because we're almost home.
probably still in the, what is that called?
Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
In 1 mile,
I never,
use the left 2 lanes to continue straight.
we've never had fireworks for Thanksgiving ever.
Look.
I see it. But I've never participated in fireworks for Thanksgiving before.
We are in Shreveport Drive.
Yeah.
Shreveport.
We're about 36, 40 minutes until
Look,
we get
guys.
home.
There's fireworks. There. Probably advance Merry Christmas. Fireworks.
I don't know what it's for.
There. You see that, mga besh? There. There.
Where?
There.
Where?
Continue on
See?
I-20 East Morgan Road.
Ooh. That's catching people driving.
Yeah.
Catching their
somebody's
eyes.
gonna-
Look. Don't
Yeah.
look the honey.
I'm
Drive.
not looking. I'll wait and watch it till we
Look,
get
guys.
home.
Fireworks and driving.
It's beautiful. Somebody's gonna have a wreck.
Somebody gonna stop and watch the fireworks. Oh my God!
Oh
Look
my
at
God,
this.
you can hear them.
It's beautiful.
Do you hear them?
Yeah, I think that's in a. Wow, is this in a boardwalk? Everybody slow down, guys.
Well, it looks like it's
Horseshoe, honey, in a horseshoe.
Yeah, it looks like it's
Everybody is slowing down.
yeah, why not? To get a look. I mean, I've never seen fireworks this close.
Yeah, there's in the boardwalk in the horseshoe.
This is crazy. Y'all hear it? How can I?
Free
can't-
fireworks, guys. Free fireworks. Nobody gonna harang.
What does that mean?
Nobody gonna cover that. It's clear. Look. I mean,
Well,
see?
that was a great show. It's over. But wow, that's cool. Nice welcome home.
Yeah, that's in a boardwalk because that's
That's the Horseshoe Casino there. So I guess that they had
Ah.
fireworks this weekend. That's
crazy.
great. Look at the smoke from the fireworks.
Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Did you see that? It's free.
That's going to be a good video, you know.
It's free fireworks on the way road.
On the what?
On the road. On the way road.
You're so
Boomtown. I thought that's closed already, honey. Why still have a light?
I don't know. I can't look while I'm driving because it distracts me, you know.
Anyway, guys, the fireworks wake me up.
I can smell them. I can, you know, the smoke. I can smell that sulfur.
Yeah.
For a minute there, I thought there was a fireworks truck on the road that had a wreck.
Oh my God, guys. You know what? I'm not happy because in front of us they have a car and hit our windshield. And our windshield, they have just one small bump, and then we stop because we need to go toilet, and we come back, we get like this, guys, in
Just because of the temperature change.
2 inches. It's only bump, and when we get out from the car and go bathroom and we came back, I saw and the crack is
Are
2
you showing
inches.
the views?
Yeah, and I'm talking to them too.
You're always talking, so.
You guys, look
In
at that
900
view.
feet, turn right on Old
This is
Mendon Road.
our view in a big town,
This is Shreveport, and now we're coming into Bossier.
Bossier. It's already Bossier.
Yeah,
We
well,
already
as soon as
Turn
we
right
cross
on
the
Old
river.
Mendon Road.
So
Turn left on Michelle Street.
I don't know what's wrong with this thing.
we already know. So
We know where we're going. You can cut it off.
yeah, I already think up. So guys, we need to call insurance tomorrow and do something that otherwise they're gonna be.
I'll do it online, and then they'll just send somebody to my work, and he'll diagnose it.
red.
We may have to get that, and then that's it. It'll just always.
I'm gonna show you guys Christmas lights. There.
All these lights, blue lights, are always here.
Yeah, but
They put those up in support of the policemen.
we already passed some the Christmas light, but I did not think to take a video. Last stop. Okay, last stop. I'm not gonna go out. Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here.